Hello, it's Jonathan here from Strong Ties. I want to tell you about two great patented products that we're now stocking. And we hear that it's a challenge in the robotics industry to fix cables and pneumatic tubes onto the outside of robots. With the flexroute, this conforms to the diameter of any surface. It can do square or flat, and it is cushioning the pipe or the cable that's held. It's also protecting the frame, the arm of the robot, and then it's held in place very simply by this low profile tie. So it's very good looking, neat, and it secures the flexroute very firmly and it won't move. So this overcomes the problems of movement, wear, cracked pipe, cracked cables, and gives 100% uptime on your robots. If you want more information, just give me a call on the contact information below. Have a great day. Thank you.